0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds. 938 horsepower, a wagon body style that can haul your dogs and demolish supercars. The 2025 Porsche Taycan Turbo Cross. Turismo isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution on wheels. Today, we're getting our hands on the most powerful Taycan ever made, and spoiler alert, your definition of electric car is about to change forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a first look at Porsche's latest electric masterpiece, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. The moment you lay eyes on the Taycan Cross Turismo, you know it's something special. That shooting brake silhouette is unmistakably Porsche, yet totally unique in today's market. The elongated roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, creating not just a visual statement, but adding real-world practicality with increased headroom and cargo space. This isn't just a pretty face, it's a Porsche that can actually handle a weekend getaway with luggage. But let's talk about what really matters here: power. The 2025 model packs a serious punch with its dual-motor setup, delivering an astonishing 938 horsepower when launch control is engaged. That's nearly 200 more horses than the previous generation. Porsche's engineers have somehow managed to make the rear motor 20 pounds lighter while squeezing out an extra 107 horsepower. The result? A family wagon that accelerates faster than most hypercars, costing twice as much. Inside, it's typical Porsche excellence. The cockpit wraps around you with screens everywhere. A curved 16.8-inch driver display, a central touchscreen for infotainment, and even a dedicated passenger screen. Every surface feels premium, every button has a satisfying click, and the driving position is spot on. The new battery pack deserves special mention. While Porsche hasn't released official EPA numbers yet, the more energy-dense cells should provide a significant boost in range. Even more impressive is the charging speed. Thanks to the 800-volt architecture, you can go from 5 to 80% in just over 20 minutes at a compatible fast charger. All this innovation doesn't come cheap. Starting at $163,000 before you even glance at the options list, the Taycan Turbo Cross Turismo is firmly in exotic territory. But considering its performance benchmarks, versatile design, and cutting-edge technology, it actually represents a compelling value against traditional supercars that offer less practicality. Launching this beast is an experience you won't forget. The instant torque pins you to your seat with a force that feels borderline violent. There's no drama, no wheel spin, just pure, relentless acceleration that doesn't let up until you lift off the throttle. It's intoxicating, addictive, and slightly terrifying all at once. But straight-line speed is only part of the story. This is still a Porsche after all. The steering offers fantastic feedback, with a precision that defies the car's substantial weight. The adaptive air suspension keeps the body composed through corners while soaking up bumps when you're just cruising. And yes, there's even a gravel mode that raises the ride height and adjusts the power delivery for light off-road adventures. The 2025 Porsche Taycan Turbo Cross Turismo isn't just an impressive electric vehicle. It's an impressive vehicle, period. It proves that the future of performance cars isn't something to fear, but something to celebrate. This is Porsche at its innovative best, pushing boundaries while staying true to their heritage of building drivers' cars that excite and inspire. Would I buy one if I had the means? In a heartbeat. This isn't just the best electric wagon on the market, it might just be the best all-around performance car money can buy today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.